Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bakamzitho, it's about uMakhwela, uMusamsele, fifth wife. Guys, a lot of fans, they are so disappointed ngegender yomntwana. We all thought umntwana is a boy, but ke uMakhwela has posted a video on TikTok revealing igender umntwana, but judging from what umntwana ugqokile, the Hello Kitty with the Hello Kitty suit. Is it a suit, this thing umntwana, or a crawl? Or he vest, I don't know what it's called, but again, this thing I go in a character yamantombazana, and we all know that Hello Kitty amantombazana, even the top is pink and white. So I guess gender yomntwana now we know it's a girl, guys. So I don't know whether we are confused or what, but I think judging from the video I posted uMakhwela on TikTok yakhe umntwana intombazana, guys. I don't know if vele umntwana intombazana uMusamsele kufile kanjani, and I wanna lie, I think uMusamsele he is stuck nabantwana baka Mayeni, because Mayeni she's the only wife omnika abantwana abayithuba abafana, or so kumacele naye emnikile umntana omfana, but that means abafana laba bafunayo akabatholi, which is sad because we all know that uMusamsele ufuna abantwana abafana. Actually mayena akamnikanga abantwana abayithuba abafana, umnike 4 boys because umnike 2 boys nezukulu ezi2 zabafana futhi, so umnike 4 boys, all in all abantwana amnike bona bayi6. Mayena ukhulisile umuzi kaMsele, guys. Asimnikeni ama-flowers. Hence mhlambe izolo on a studies episode ashilo ukuthi ungenza isilima ngoba into engangizele kaMsele so uyitholile into obeyifuna uyitholile. I gave you abantwana manje so ngenza isilima, which is very understandable. Maybe umayena ufile isifu uMusamsele uhleli nayo just because wathi mina if ngihamba nengane zami, and knowing umayena uyazi ukuthi vele umayena uzomthatha umnini ahambe naye. Yes, uMpumelelo sekamdala, I don't think uMpumelelo uzohamba noma ngakhe, but umayena mangathi uyadivorce, maybe yazi ukuthi hey umayena ngamthatha umntanami, and it will be very difficult ukuthi ngibone ingane yami njengoba ku difficult manje for uMpumelelo ukuthi abone umhlophekazi noNzulu. Umpumelelo once posted on Instagram ukuthi akakhona ukubona ingane zakhe, of which I feel as if it's just an excuse nje bangabe bakasirious ngokubona ingane zakhe, or if bakasirious ngokuba there empilweni yengane zakhe, or fully kuba ubaba ofully bakangavela thatha uVuyekazi amise ecourt. But umgosi wethu nje, guys, today nje besifuna nje ukuthi halala to uMakhwela esibone ukuthi ingane yakhe ivele this year 2025 nge-19 January, which is I think it's a +1 kumsele. Angithi azange asho gender uthi ufuna nje ingane eziyi-20, so that means uNkulunkulu usamkoloda 9 yamantombazana mhlambe, because maybe mangathola another 3 girls uzobona ukuthi ayazi ukuthini engathi right. And uMusamsele we know that uyabathanda abantwana babafana. It's so sad, yazi kubuhlungu ukuthi ufuna le gender. Being a mom, I know ukuthi ufuna le gender le, bese uthole that doesn't mean angeke umthanda umntana wakho, but vele lokho ubowucela nje uNkulunkulu ngicela mina umntana omfana uNkulunkulu akunike intombazana. It's sad yona, but ke umntwana makasavelile because umntwana nje uyisibusiso. Niyajabula endlini nemamukele niqhubeke impilo, nikhohle nokukhohle ukuthi benifuna umntana omfana, but ke guys igender yomntana kaMakhwela igirl. Angazi ke whether uMakhwela uyasidida or what, but since ke yesterday it was the last episode of season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu, I think uMakhwela will be posting more pictures of umntana yakhe, then we'll get to see more about the gender yomntana. That is all for now bazala bamzitho. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.